Advisory of the CJ of dissolution of parliament, I actually support the dissolution of parliament. Fortunately, at least the Senate, we've achieved the 2/3 gender, but it's not achieved yet in the National Assembly, but I actually support the dissolution of parliament.
I don't have a problem if I've seen the CJ letter to the President, His Excellency the President. He has indicated that the Parliament on several occasions has refused or deliberately made effort not to pass the third gender rule. Personally, I don't have a problem because as we talk, the Parliament is unconstitutional as it is now, because we have not met the gender threshold that has been talked within the Constitution. But my advice to the CJ should have been, this Constitution is progressive. You remember it's 10 years in place. And therefore, it would have been more better to give room for Parliament for progressive achievement. Even if you look at Rwanda, where they have achieved a third gender rule, you should appreciate that they are now at 50%. You should appreciate that we should allow progressive gender. But if wakitaka kufutilia bunge mbali ni sawa.
I think it was a rush. It's a rush decision by the by the CJ, because this is a matter that we need to give ourselves time. We are growing. Our constitution is new, and it takes a little bit of time to have everything in place.